In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cover page in Microsoft Word step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to add a professional looking cover page to any document in just a few minutes. Whether you're making a school project, a report, a business document, or any kind of formal file, a clean cover page can instantly make your work look more polished and organized. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word launches, open the document you want to add a cover page to. This could be a blank document you're starting from scratch, or it could be an existing file that already has content inside. If you're working on an important assignment or report, it's a good idea to save your work first before making changes, just so everything stays safe. Now that your document is open, look at the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where Microsoft Word keeps a lot of the tools for adding extra elements into your document, like pictures, tables, shapes, headers, and of course, cover pages. Once you click Insert, scan through the ribbon until you find the cover page option. Go ahead and click Cover Page. Microsoft Word will show you a gallery of built-in cover page designs. These templates are designed to give your document a professional appearance without needing to build everything manually. You'll usually see different styles, layouts, and formatting options, so take a moment to browse through them and choose the one that fits your document best. If you're creating something formal, pick a simple and clean design. If you want something more modern or creative, Word usually has those options too. After you choose a design, Word will automatically insert the cover page into your document. At this point, you can begin editing the placeholder text. You'll usually see fields for the title, subtitle, author name, company name, date, or other details depending on the template you selected. Click inside each text box and replace the sample text with your own information. Make sure your title is clear and easy to read, and keep the subtitle short and relevant. If you're using this for school, you can add your name, class name, teacher name, and date. If it's for business, you can include your company and document topic. Take your time to adjust the cover page so it matches the purpose of your document. You can also highlight text and change the font size or style if needed, but in many cases, the default formatting from Word will already look great. The goal is to make the page look neat, balanced, and professional without overcrowding it with too much information. A good cover page should give the reader a quick first impression of what the document is about. Once you're happy with the cover page, the final step is to save your file. Click File, then choose Save As, and save the document in the location you want. If you're using Word Online or autosave is turned on, your file may already be saving automatically, but it's still a good habit to double check that everything is stored properly. Give the file a clear name so you can find it easily later, and that's it. You've now created a cover page in Microsoft Word. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how professional your document looks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to learn how to format the rest of your document too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.